How to find hotspot password on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To find hotspot password on Android device, go to settings on your Android phone. Scroll down, locate connections and sharing option, tap on it. From this section, you need to locate personal hotspot or simply mobile hotspot depending upon your device. Now tap Personal Hotspot, and here you will get hotspot settings. Open it, including the hotspot name and password. You can easily find your hotspot password on this page. If you wish to delete this current one, you can delete it and set a new one as well. And tap tick mark at top right and change your hotspot password as well. If you wish to share your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection with other devices, this will consume more mobile data and battery power if you share your hotspot with other people. So in this way you can find hotspot password on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.